Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It's December and I wanted it to snow. And now it got snow here on my computer screen. 1,000 snowflakes falling gently to the ground where they lay as small dunes of snow that lays in a nice and even pattern. But there's still a few days left till the 24th, so I'm going to continue coding something here. I just have to make up something more. And I think that today I want some text here on the screen, so a message for a greeting if you want. And I saw something when I looked at the documentation here, where we can draw rectangles, and up here there's also something about drawing text. So I'm going to look into that today. Just like there was a fill rect, there's a fill text that I can give a text, that's a string, and an x and an y position, and an optional max width. And here's an example, and I'm just going to copy that directly. I can see there's also a font, and then I fill the text of hello world somewhere. And I'm going to put it in the init, right here. Draw text. And then I can also fix this, that has annoyed me for a time. Let's see how it looks. I can't see the text anywhere. Maybe I should change the color as well. CTX fill style, I'm guessing the same as for rectangles. The semicolon should be outside. No, nothing. Should I try larger? There's something. Hello world, it says. And if I say at position 0, that would be X here. And at position 0, then it stays. Can I just reload again? I think, yes, it's very up there. So this is not the top, but the base of the letters. I think I want the top. Can I change that somehow? I saw something here. I can stroke it. I can style it. Baseline. The baseline is where the text, that's the bottom of the text. And should I use top, hanging, middle, alphabetic, ideographic, but default is alphabet. I'm going to use top. So text baseline is set to top. And this should give me, now the text is here at the very top and it says hello world. I want to change it to something else. I'm going to say Merry Yule. So this is text. It's behind all the snowflakes. I'm going to move it down a bit. This would be, yes, it's behind all the snowflakes, and I think I wanted it in front, and that was because the canvas is added first and then every single snowflake after, so the canvas would be behind. But if I give it set index of just say 2, then it would be in front of everything. Yeah, I would like some snowflakes to be in front of, but not all of them. Say a quarter. So I'm setting this to 3. And then any snowflakes, if they would have set index of 3, they would be in front of as well. Can I see? What's going on? Something is broken. Okay, I just broke the editor. I think changing the CSS of 1,000 snowflakes at once is going to be a problem. But my idea is that in when I create a snowflake, here. Then I will want to give it a random set index from 0 to 4. And then those with 4 or 3 or 4 would be in front of, but 0, 1 and 2 would be behind. And if I just say this element dot style dot set index would be math, I have to round it, so math floor of math random times 4 should give me a random set index between 0 and 4. That would be 0, 1, 2 or 3. Let's see how that looks. Yes. See, most snowflakes are behind the text, but a few of them are in front of. That was pretty good. I'm almost ready to commit now. Except for one thing. The text is always at the very left here, and I would like it to be centered. So, but I did see something. Text align can set it to start, end, left, right, or center. So I could just write down here when I create the text, say ctx.text align would be center. Cool. So, okay, it actually centers the text around this coordinate. That wasn't what I wanted. So I want the text to be centered around here. And that would be halfway between 0 and max x. So that would be the half of max x. So if I just say config.max x divided by 2, that would be in the center. Yes, it works perfectly. There is one more thing. The responsiveness isn't that good. I think I have to work with that, but I'm going to commit. I'm calling it adding text. And then I was thinking it would be cool if the snow would land on the letters. So I'm going to look into that tomorrow. See you then.
Let it snow.